My dear students, welcome to the series of ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दैट वी हैव बीन डूइंग। इसमें देखिए एक्सरसाइज नंबर 6 में यहाँ से सीधे वायस है। वायस आप लोगों को याद होगा, वायस हम लोगों ने बहुत विधिवत पढ़ा हुआ है, बहुत कस के पढ़ा हुआ है, लेकिन ट्रांसफर दैट इज आल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। तो इसमें हमने कुछ एक्सरसाइजेज और इंक्लूड कर दिया है। आप लोगों को याद होगा, फटाफट इसको करते जाइए, जब मेरे साथ देखते जाइए और करते जाइए। Wise change the following sentence into passive voice. A lion kills an ox. याद होगा, an ox is killed by an ox is killed by a lion. My sister writes two letters. Two letters are written by my sister. My mother appreciates my sister. My sister is appreciated by my mother. Sita sings a song. A song is sung by Sita. A song is sung by Sita. I play cricket in the field. ध्यान दीजिएगा, क्रिकेट इज प्लेड बाई मी इन द फील्ड। थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को मैं एक तरह से रिवाइज करा रहा हूँ, बाकी तो आप लोगों ने बहुत विधिवत किया है। ही डज नॉट गिव मी 10 रुपीज़। 10 रुपीज़ आर नॉट गिवेन टू मी बाई हिम, या आई एम नॉट। दो तरह के इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स आ गए, एक मी है, एक 10 रुपीज़ है। तो मैंने बताया था कि अगर आप सजीव ऑब्जेक्ट को पहले ले जाएंगे, मतलब उसको अगर आप सब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे तो टू नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा, फार का प्रयोग नहीं करना पड़ेगा। लेकिन अगर निर्जीव को पहले लाएंगे तो सेंस के अनुसार अगर के लिए का बोध होगा तो फार लगेगा, अगर नहीं के लिए का बोध होगा तो टू का प्रयोग होगा। तो मैं ही डज नॉट गिव मी 10 रुपीज़, वो मुझे 10 रुपये नहीं देता है, तो आई एम नॉट गिवेन 10 रुपीज़ बाई हिम, या 10 रुपीज़ आर नॉट गिवेन बाई हिम, 10 रुपीज़ आर नॉट गिवेन टू मी बाई हिम। यू डू नॉट ओपन द डोर, कैसे बनेगा? द डोर इज़ नॉट ओपनड बाई यू। वी टेक केयर ऑफ योर आवर यंगर ब्रदर्स। Our younger brothers are taken care of by us. Why does the peon ring the bell now? Why is the bell rung now by the peon? Do you like these mangoes? ध्यान दीजिएगा, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस सहायक क्रिया लगेगी। वर दीज मैंगोज लाइक्ड बाय यू? वर दीज मैंगोज लाइक्ड बाय यू। आगे देखिएगा, ए बॉय इज रीडिंग ए बुक। ए बुक कंटिन्यूअस टेंस आया। ए बुक इज बीइंग रेड बाय ए बॉय। माई मदर इज राइटिंग लेटर। ए लेटर इज बीइंग रिटेन बाय माई मदर। His sister is eating an apple. An apple is being eaten by his sister. She is singing a song. A song is being sung by her. A song is being sung by her. I am not playing cricket today. Cricket is not being played by me today. The servant is not opening the door. The door is not being opened by the servant. I am not buying an umbrella. An umbrella is not being bought by me. Why is he not singing a song in the hall? Why is a song not being sung by him in the hall? Are you not cleaning the room? Is the room not being cleaned by you? When are you buying some books? When are some books being bought by you? Exercise number 8. I have taken my food. My food has been taken by me. They have helped you. You have been helped by them. We have learned our lesson. Our lesson has been learned by us. Seema has not finished her work. Her work has not been finished by Seema. I have not bought a pen. A pen has not been bought by me. He has not stolen your bicycle. Your bicycle has not been, ध्यान रखिएगा योर से मतलब नहीं है, क्योंकि बाइसिकल क्या सिंगुलर है, इसलिए हैज़ का ही प्रयोग होगा. योर बाइसिकल हैज़ नॉट बीन स्टोलन बाय हिम. हैव यू कंप्लीटेड द एसे. हैज़ द एसे बीन completed by you. Has the peon not rung the bell? Has the bell not been rung by the peon? Where have you put my pen? Where has my pen been put by you? Why have you not called your brother to help me? Why has your brother not been called to help me by you? You called your servant yesterday. Past tense tense. Your servant was called by you yesterday. Yeah, your servant was called yesterday by you. No problem. We opened the door of this house. The door of this house was opened by us. The boy did not shut the door at night. The door was not shut by the boy at night. Our cricket team won the match yesterday. The match was won by our cricket team yesterday. They did not help me last year. I was not helped by them last year. The tiger killed a wolf in the forest under a tree. ध्यान देखिए, a wolf was killed by the tiger in the forest under a tree. Did you not help your servant in the garden? Was your servant not helped by you in the garden? Why did he not give your pen at his father's command? Why? ध्यान दीजिएगा. Was your pen not given by him at his father's command? Whom did you give my book yesterday? ध्यान दीजिए, whom आया, who हो जाएगा. Whom did you give my book yesterday? थोड़ा सा इसको मैं आपको लिख के दिखाता हूँ, याद होगा. Whom did you give my book yesterday? राइट. तो whom का क्या हो जाएगा, सीधे who हो जाएगा. डिड पास्ट इंडेफिनिट है, वाज हो जाएगा. हु वाज है ना, गिवन. अब ये यू था, सब्जेक्ट बाई लग करके ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, सीधा बाकी लोग बैठ जाएंगे. मैंने क्या बताया था कि बस आप सब्जेक्ट को क्या करिएगा, बस बाई लगा के बाहर कर दीजिए, बाकी सबको नीचे बैठा दीजिएगा. तो कैसे बनेगा, हु वाज गिवन माई बुक by you yesterday. Why did your sister not learn her lesson? Why was her lesson not learned by your sister? Why was her lesson not learned by your sister? Exercise number 10. A boy was eating some sweet mangoes. Some sweet mangoes were being eaten by a boy. My brother was reading a novel. A novel was being read by my brother. A novel was being read by my brother. Yesterday your brother was solving a question in the common room. Yesterday a question was being solved by your brother in the common room. Sushil was selling his old books to the bookseller. Old books were being sold to the bookseller by Sushil. His old books were being sold to the bookseller by Sushil. Were you not felling a mango tree yesterday? Was a mango tree not being felled by you yesterday? Was Ram disobeying his teacher in the class? Was his teacher being disobeyed by Ram in the class? Was his teacher being disobeyed by Rama in the class? Why was she not washing her dirty clothes? Why were her dirty clothes not being washed by her? Why were her dirty clothes not being washed by her? When was the servant ringing the bell? When was the bell being rung by the servant? Where was he throwing his rough papers? Where were his rough papers being thrown by him? Where were his rough papers being thrown by her, by him? Who was not helping you last year in your need? By whom were you not being helped last year in your need? Okay. फिर देखते हैं, द हार्स हैड ग्रेज द ग्रीन ग्रास. The green grass had been grazed by the horse. The police had arrested 5 robbers. 5 robbers had been arrested by the police. The washerman had washed the dirty clothes. The dirty clothes had been washed by the washerman. The carpenter had not made a good chair. A good chair had not been made by the carpenter. The servant had not rung the bell. The bell had not been rung by the servant. The hunter had not shot a tiger in the forest. A tiger had not been shot by the hunter in the forest. Had the horse not kicked the young boy? Had the young boy not been kicked by the horse? Why had they not taken food? Why had food not been taken by them? Why had they not obeyed their parents? Why had their parents not been obeyed by them? When had your mother cooked food? When had food been cooked by your mother? I shall do my work. My work will be done by me. अब देखिए, आई है इसलिए शैल दिया गया है, लेकिन आई के अलावा अब ये माई वर्क आया है, थर्ड पर्सन है, इसलिए यहाँ पे विल का प्रयोग होगा. आगे देखिए, माई वर्क विल बी डन बाई मी. रमेश विल ओबे हिज मदर. हिज मदर विल बी ओबेड बाई रमेश. यू विल रीड दिस बुक टुमारो. दिस बुक विल बी रेड बाई यू टुमारो. They will not buy these apples. These apples will not be bought by them. The monkey will not eat these fruits. These fruits will not be eaten by the monkey. The merchant will return your money today. Your money will be returned by the merchant today. Will you not play cricket today? Will cricket not be played by you today? Will he not disobey his teacher? Will his teacher not be disobeyed by him? Why will she not take care of the child? Why will the child not be taken care of? जहाँ preposition लगा preposition रहेगा by her. When will you teach me English? When will, अच्छा आप ये भी कह सकते हैं, when अगर मान लीजिए मी को आप सब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं तो shall का प्रयोग हो जाएगा. When shall I be taught English by you? अगर इंग्लिश को पहले लेके आएंगे, when will English be taught to me by you? He will have done his work. His work will have been done by him. She will have fed her child. Her child will have been fed by her. I shall have written a letter to my sister. A letter will have been written to my sister by me. The boys will not have played cricket. Cricket will not have been played by the boys. The police will not have arrested the thieves. The thieves will not have been arrested by the police. Will they have made a noise in the class? will a noise have been made by them in the class? Why will you not have helped the poor boy? Why will the poor boy not have been helped by you? When will he have helped you? When will you have been helped by him? Who will have helped you? By whom will you have been helped? Who will have called the police for help? By whom will the police have been called for help? Ring the bell. Let the bell be rung. अब imperative वाले में याद रखिएगा. Don't make a noise. Let a noise not be made. Wash your hands. Let your hands be washed. ध्यान दीजिएगा, अगर हम ये भी चाहें तो ये भी कर सकते हैं. योर हैंड्स अगर सुझाव लगता है तो योर हैंड्स भी कर सकते हैं. योर हैंड्स शुड बी वाश्ड. नेवर टेल ए लाई. लेट ए लाई नेवर बी टोल्ड. क्लीन योर टीथ. यू आर सजेस्टेड टू क्लीन योर टीथ. तमाम तरह से हम करा देते हैं. ऑलवेज स्पीक द ट्रूथ. यू आर एडवाइज ऑलवेज टू स्पीक द ट्रूथ. ओपन योर बुक एट पेज 10. You are ordered to open your book at page 10. Obey your parents. You are suggested to obey your parents. हर तरह से करा देना. जैसे हमने कराया है तो वैरायटी ऑफ वेज था, उसी तरह से इन द सेम वे आई एम जस्ट रिवाइजिंग वॉइस. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम प्लीज कॉल मी. ओबे योर पेरेंट्स कैसे बनेगा? ध्यान दीजिएगा. ओबे योर पेरेंट्स कैसे बनेगा? योर पेरेंट्स शुड बी ओबेड या यू आर सजेस्टेड टू ओबे योर पेरेंट्स. शट द डोर. लेट द डोर बी शट. प्लीज डू दिस वर्क. यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू दिस वर्क. है ना. अब ये पैसिव से एक्टिव में कैसे बनाना है ये ज़रा देखिएगा. एवरी वन डिसलाइक्स बैड बॉयज. वेयर डिड यू सी हिम. यहाँ पे इन्होंने दे दिया है. चेंज द वॉइस ऑफ द वर्ब in the following sentences. Examples. Did you see him yesterday? Was he seen? I did not see him. अब इसमें हमको देखना है ओके इसको थोड़ा सा देखना है. Everyone dislikes bad boys. अभी ऐसे ही चल रहा है. Bad boys are disliked by everyone. Where did you see him? Where was he seen by you? We did not expect such behavior of him. Such behavior of him was not expected by us. The manufacture very fine. They manufacture very fine sarees in Varanasi. Very fine sarees are manufactured by them in Varanasi. They call the Indian flag the national flag. The national tricolor. The national tricolor is the Indian flag is called the national tricolor. बाई दम लिखना चाहिए लिखिए, ना लिखना चाहिए मत लिखिए. विल दे होल्ड द इलेक्शन दिस ईयर. विल द इलेक्शंस बी हेल्ड दिस ईयर बाई देम या बाई देम दिस ईयर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. दिस ईयर पहले बार, मॉर्निंग पहले बार कहीं भी लिख सकते हैं. आर दे डेकोरेटिंग द हाउस फॉर मैरिज. इज द हाउस बीइंग डेकोरेटेड बाई देम फॉर मैरिज. द टीचर डिड नॉट अलाउ हिम टू एंटर द क्लासरूम. He was not allowed to enter the classroom by the teacher. They were talking out the winning candidate in a procession. They were talking out the winning candidate. The winning candidate in a procession. ध्यान दीजिएगा. The winning candidate was being talked out in the procession. In a procession. Lata Mangeshkar has sung many melodious songs. Many melodious songs were sung by have been sung by Lata Mangeshkar. अब ये पैसिव से एक्टिव बनाना. द वर्क हैज़ बीन डन बाई मी. आई हैव डन द वर्क. महेश वॉज मेड कैप्टन बाई द बॉयज. द बॉयज मेड महेश कैप्टन. ही वॉज नॉट पनिश बाई देम. दे वर नॉट दे डिड नॉट पनिश हिम. वी एक्सेप्ट गुड न्यूज़ टुडे. गुड न्यूज़ इज एक्सेप्टेड. यहाँ पे दिया गया है, यहाँ पे एक्सपेक्ट होना चाहिए एक्चुअली. that is expect. Good news is expected by us today. He was taken to us. कहीं पैसिव टू एक्टिव, एक्टिव से पैसिव. He was taken. अगर एक्टिव है तो पैसिव बदल दीजिए, पैसिव है तो एक्टिव में. देखिए इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस चेंज द वॉइस. यहाँ पे ये दिया गया फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस में वॉइस को चेंज करना. अब चाहे पैसिव है तो एक्टिव में बदलना, एक्टिव है तो पैसिव में. ही वॉज टेकन टू हॉस्पिटल बाय हिज फ्रेंड्स. हिज फ्रेंड्स टेक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल. Children are allowed by their parents. Their parents allow children to do what they like. A great welcome was given to him by the villagers. The villagers gave him a great welcome. He was refused to take the pen by us. We refused, ध्यान दीजिएगा, we refused him to take the pen. I was helped by Mukesh to carry the luggage. Mukesh helped me to carry the luggage. The Gulf countries have been made prosperous by the exploration of crude oil. और ध्यान दीजिएगा, the exploration of crude oil has made the Gulf countries prosperous. I will always remember him. अच्छा, अब ये नेगेटिव वाला है तो अभी इसको हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा सीखना पड़ेगा. अब आगे हम लोग देखेंगे अफॉर्मेटिव को नेगेटिव में कैसे बदलना, नेगेटिव को अफॉर्मेटिव में कैसे बदलना. इन चीज़ों पर हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.